Welcome to Towns in Motion. Today, we'll be exploring Gloster, Mississippi. Welcome to Gloster, a charming town located in the heart of Amite County, Mississippi. Gloster is home to about 1,000 residents, and it offers a unique blend of history, small town living, and natural beauty. Incorporated on March 11, 1884, Gloster was originally founded as a railroad town. The Yazoo and Mississippi Valley Railroad played a key role in the town's establishment in the 1880s, and the town was named in honor of Captain Arthur Willis Gloster, a former Confederate officer and chief engineer who oversaw the construction of the railroad line from New Orleans to Memphis. The railroad was crucial to the growth of Gloster, bringing commerce, people, and opportunities. Over time, the town became a peaceful, close-knit community with a rich historical background that residents take great pride in. Today, Gloster has a median age of 42.5 years, with a median household income of just over $22,000. The town is made up of a diverse mix of families, retirees, and young professionals. The median property value here is $73,000, with about 42.3% of households owning their homes. Though small, Gloster's tight-knit atmosphere and affordable housing make it an attractive place for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. Gloster offers a slower, more relaxed pace of life, ideal for people who enjoy a rural setting with easy access to outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, and camping. The surrounding parks and forests provide plenty of opportunities for exploration, while the town itself offers a peaceful and inviting community atmosphere. The local economy is centered around manufacturing and agriculture, providing jobs to residents. With a median commute time of 40.6 minutes, most people drive alone to work, though it's clear that the town offers a laid-back lifestyle for those who prefer to spend more time enjoying nature rather than sitting in traffic. On average, households in Gloster own 3 cars, a reflection of the town's rural nature and the need to travel further for work or leisure. For a small town, Gloster is home to a number of local restaurants and shops, giving residents access to everything they need. The school district is active, offering educational opportunities for children, while the surrounding nature provides the perfect setting for recreational activities. Gloster is situated in a strategic location in southwest Mississippi, located 80 miles south of Jackson and just 60 miles north of Baton Rouge, Louisiana. It offers convenient access to larger cities while maintaining a quieter, more rural lifestyle. size of just 1.8 square miles. Gloster is a small town, but it has much to offer. The town may be small in size, but it is big on charm, history, and community spirit. Whether you're passing through or considering making Gloster your home, it's a place where history, beauty, and a relaxed pace of life come together in a perfect blend. Thank you for exploring Gloster, Mississippi. Make sure to tune in for more adventures on Towns in Motion.